In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change fighting styles in Untitled boxing game. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can change your fighting style at will and how the system works. So, to actually change your style, all that you have to do is go over to the Fight Styles option at the left side of the screen. Now, as weird as this may seem, you can only use one fighting style per slot. So as you can see by default, you only have one slot, meaning that at any given point, you can only have one style active. However, if you buy these additional slots, then you will be able to have up to 4 fighting styles that you can switch between. If you don't want to spend Robux, then like I said, you will be limited to one fighting style. Now, what you have to do to change your fighting style is to spin this wheel. You can get new spins by completing objectives and using codes, and they are given out periodically. So when you complete these objectives here, you will be able to get a bunch of spins and save them up. Once you have the spins, just go ahead and click the option to spin the wheel, and one random fighting style will be given to you, and you can see the percentages listed here. Once you get a new fighting style, like I said, it is going to be equipped into the slots that you have available immediately, and now it is basically ready to use, so you don't have to do any sort of additional setup. You basically have the new fighting style ready to go, and you can see the special ability for the fighting style that you are using at the bottom left. You will be able to use the new ultimate referring to that fighting style, and this is all you have to do to change your fighting style. Like I said, you can buy more slots if there is a popular fighting style or a certain one that you really enjoy, but for the most part, you will only be able to use only one at any given point if you don't spend Robux. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your fighting style in an Untitled boxing game. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.